I think that this time they should go around the boat.
31 seconds.
Go around the boat.
Yeah, or whatever. I don't know, but it's not very...
It won't be as deep.
Go, go, go! I feel like you're pulling me.
Yeah.
Oh, they're going around the boat.
Me and Josh will just go around the door.
You don't have to.
Me and Mom.
That gives them a circle.
Yeah. Mom, can we choose which one we want to go around? I guess.
Well, I think they should all do the same thing just to make it.
There goes William after the ball.
Can someone get him? Because I'm trying to
Caleb, why don't
videotape.
you come over here?
I'm good.
Grandma, can you get William?
No.
Come on.
Good.
It's an easy enough spray.
He's alright, Mom. Well, you can smell that, Taylor.
Well, it's coconut and grapeseed oil.
Must be the grapeseed
Hurry,
oil.
get a tail.
What is it does that? Grapeseed. Oh, we got a mud bunch up
Baby,
here.
watch out.
Make sure you...
Get a bucket.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, little kids are obstacles along the way.
Oh, is that a video camera, you mean?
Like a little sprinkler thing we're doing.
Is that what you were taking video of before?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I didn't realize that was also the video.
Grab the cup. Please. Yeah, Shannon. Mom, can we grab this can? Can we use this?
No.
Yep, they have to go around
Go, Isaac,
obstacles.
run, 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 run.
You run it up to the foot.
No. Good way to get our foot bucket
Then do
filled
the
up.
horseshoes next.
Well,
Almost fell. Good, then put it back in.
horseshoe toss.
You still or just one horseshoe? No, we won't. It's okay. Ooh, and then go get it. Put it back. Ew. And then volleyball. They had to throw and get it on them.
Come on,
Go.
look at him run.
Get it. Get ready. This side. One side.
Up and over. Up. Oh,
Now you hit it back to Dad. Get it over. Yeah, all right.
Yay, okay.
Baseball. It has to go over once and then over again and then...
Good, and then get it.
Up.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
How they doing on time?
Good.
And then jump rope.
3:12.
Jump rope.
Oh. Take them up shorter. They're too long for him.
10.
That's okay.
1,
2,
2.
3.
They're doing it backwards.
One more.
Yay, okay.
All right.
Look at 1, 2, 3, 4,
I never see it done.
5, 6,
Oh,
and
no.
jump rope. I don't know if I can do the jump rope.
Thank you.
Yay.
Punch the
Okay.
balloon, hurry, punch the balloon.
Where's the balloon?
There should be 2 of them. There's a thing.
Okay, 10 times.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Yay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's it. Chair.
That's a chair.
Hey.
10 seconds.
4 minutes.
Okay,